Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So this video is going to be a very fun video because this is a commercial street video. Yes, most of them requested me to make a commercial street video which is in Bengaluru, as you all know. So this is one of the very famous places in Bengaluru where you can shop at a very reasonable price. Yes, today I'm going to show you all where you get kurtas, dresses, earrings, or shoes and many more. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So right now we are on our way to Commercial Street. We almost reached there. So this is the main signal, and once you finish the signal, take the first right. And if you're not able to find the location, you can find Sanskruti Silks in the entrance of the signal. So there you have to take the right and then you have to go inside. And if you're coming through your own vehicle, either bike or your four-wheeler, I suggest you all not to park it in the road. Be careful with the cops. You can park your vehicles in Landmark or any other buildings. They have a lot of space for parking over here. For two-wheeler they charge 10 to 20 rupees per hour, and for four-wheeler they charge 70 rupees. So please park your vehicles in a safe place. And if you still get confused with the location, just type Commercial Street in your Google map and you can easily reach here. And if you visit Commercial Street on weekends, it's quite hard to find place for parking your car or two-wheeler. There's a place called as West Side. It is also called as Landmark Building. There you will have a lot of space to park your car. They charge 70 rupees. So this is the building which I was telling you all. This is called as the Landmark West Side Building. Just park your car over here and then go have a great shopping. You will not have any worries about cops or anything. So we just parked our car. So right now we are heading out to Commercial Street, and I will clearly show you all what you get in Commercial Street and where do you get such a cheap and affordable items at a very cheaper price. So let's go. So right now we are still at the West Side Building. We have to walk a little further to go inside Ibrahim Street. So yes, when you come to Commercial Street, please visit Ibrahim Street. So in that lane you get everything at a very cheaper and an affordable price. So this lane is called as the Ibrahim Street. So this is one of the best place in Commercial Street where you get an amazing clothing, earrings, flats and many more. So first let's go into Ibrahim Street. So this is the entrance of Ibrahim Street. So this is how it looks. So there will be many other stalls in the road. Just because it was raining heavily today, I think many people are not there in the road. So let's go a little further and check out what all they have.
छोटा है बड़ा है देख लीजिए मैडम।
कितना है छोटा?
ये दो आपके लिए रेट आएगा 1000 रुपीज़। बोल आप क्या के रेट बोल रहे? देख लो बादाम लकड़ी में
कितना 1000?
आप क्या के रेट बोल रहे?
Tip number 1. Whenever you come to Commercial Street, make sure that you bargain as much as possible. They might say it is 1000 or 2k or something, so you have to bargain half of that, which means that is the original price. So you get some nice toys, some silver chunky jewelry. Nowadays silver jewelries are on trend. Some nice dupattas. So this person has an amazing chunnis and dupattas, and they start at just rupees 100 and 200, and you can also bargain over here. Tip number 2. Whenever you're purchasing anything from here, make sure that you check the product completely. Sometimes they might have a damaged item, so don't get fooled. Check it out properly. So coming to the main part of the video, which is the earrings. I just love all the collection in Commercial Street. They have the best earrings. And you can also bargain as much as possible in earrings because they do reduce the price. So you name it and you find everything over here, starting from nice jhumkas, long earrings to studs and many more. You get everything over here, and they are very reasonable too. So it just starts at rupees 10 and it ranges till 500. All you need to do is just bargain. That is the main tip in Commercial Street. Just look at these beautiful earrings. They are just for rupees 50 bucks. So they also have some nice kurtas at a very reasonable price, and I've already made a video of kurtas in Commercial Street. Do check it out. So most of them keep asking me about the size. You get all the size available over here, starting from small to XXL, XXL and also 5XL. And I honestly suggest you all to please buy something from these people too. They do have an amazing clothes at a very reasonable price, and you can also bargain as much as possible, but please don't bargain at a very lower price. Most of them think that these stalls are not good, they don't have nice quality or something. No, they do have the best quality. All you need to do is have patience and check each and every stall one by one. It's not only the big stores have the best and the unique items, these people also do have. So this stall has a fixed price starting from rupees 50 to 100, 200 and many more. So in Commercial Street, the best part is the shoes and flats. They have it at a very reasonable price. So over here, all these shoes are fixed price for 200. You can just buy shoes for 100 bucks, use it for 3-4 months, then throw it, and then again you can buy some nice shoes at such a cheaper price. So over here, as you can see, they have some nice flats, shoes, heels, daily wear slippers and many more, starting at just rupees 150. You also get some nice shoes for both girls and boys over here at a very reasonable price. So these are called as the Lucknowi chikankari kurtas. So these are always on trend from past so many years, and I just love all the collection from these people. But the only problem is the prices are quite high. It starts at rupees 1000. So Lucknowi chikankari kurtas are always expensive. They don't have it at a cheaper price. You go to any stall, the Lucknowi chikankari kurtas are quite expensive. So that is it for today. Here ends the most requested Commercial Street video. I hope you all loved it. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel and also follow me on Instagram for more updates. We'll meet you soon on the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.